As part of a shoot for a property development on the Gold Coast, DroneAce had to film a Mclaren sports car driving through the streets, capturing the surrounding affluent homes. We had the Mavic 2 Pro in tripod mode to get some really cool cinematic moves, and we were in communication with the director who was also filming in the passenger seat of the car. The Mclaren definitely sounded like it had a huge hole in the muffler, or maybe it just doesn't have a muffler at all. Lots of fun.